When I was looking for other software, there was just nothing suited to us. We're quite niche, and that's where Emvisage came in. You totally put everything we needed in the order that we needed it and customized it completely. That adaptability, that was the game changer. The first moment I noticed that it was working was on the very first day. I was running the old system and the new, and on the old system I'd missed a couple of items, and on the new system I didn't forget it, and it was a value of roughly $600 on day one. I used to finish up the day at 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. Most days now I'm well and truly finished by the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock mark. Everything's there in the one location. At a glance, when I look at Emvisage, I know what jobs are being completed, what jobs wasn't completed at all.